If your camera is not working on Skype, this is the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. So the first and the best method you can simply go ahead and fix it is going to be by resetting your settings. So simply go ahead and open your settings. Then you want to go inside a general and scroll all the way down until you find transfer or reset iPhone. Simply go ahead and tap on that, and then you want to tap on reset. This is where you want to click on reset all settings, enter your password, and that should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, you might need to simply go ahead and check if there are any updates pending for Skype. You want to open your App Store or Play Store depending on the device you're using, and then simply go ahead and search for Skype here. Finally, once you search for it, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the application. There's going to be an update button instead of the open button if there are any updates available. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.